You don't need to code to work in SAP. It's a common misconception. To work in SAP, you must be a coder. But this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, the majority of professionals working in SAP today do not write a single line of code. SAP is a massive ecosystem that powers the operations of some of the largest organizations in the world. It handles everything from finance and logistics to human resources and supply chain management. And to manage all of these processes, companies need people who understand how businesses operate, not just how to code. In this video, we'll walk through how you can build a successful, fulfilling, and high-paying career in SAP, all without being a programmer. We'll cover the non-technical SAP roles that are in demand, the essential skills you need to succeed, a complete beginner roadmap, real-world career examples. Let's dive in and explore how you can thrive in SAP without touching code. Functional SAP roles. No coding needed. One of the biggest strengths of SAP is its versatility. It doesn't only require technical experts, it thrives with functional thinkers. Functional roles are focused on understanding and configuring SAP based on real-world business needs, not writing code. Here are key functional roles that don't require coding. SAP Functional Consultant. These professionals specialize in one or more SAP modules like SAP FI, Financial Accounting, SAP MM, Materials Management, SAP SD, Sales and Distribution, SAP HCM, Human Capital Management. They work with clients or internal stakeholders to understand their business processes and then configure SAP accordingly. No programming required, just deep process understanding and system knowledge. SAP Business Analyst, a bridge between business users and the SAP implementation team. Business analysts gather requirements, document workflows, support testing, and assist in deploying new functionalities. Excellent communication, analysis, and documentation skills are crucial here. SAP Trainer/End User. Support. Many companies need internal trainers and SAP support specialists to help their teams use SAP effectively. Trainers conduct workshops, develop user guides, and offer support during go-lives. These are all real SAP careers, well-paid, stable, and impactful, without any need to write ABAP or develop Fiori apps. Key skills for non-technical SAP careers. To build a strong non-coding SAP career, you don't need technical certifications, but you do need skills that make you stand out. These include business process knowledge. You must understand how departments function in real life, how invoices are posted, how goods are procured, how HR manages personnel. The more you know business-wise, the easier SAP becomes. Communication and stakeholder engagement. Whether you're configuring a solution or training users, clear communication is key. You'll often translate between business language and system logic. Analytical thinking and documentation. You need to understand gaps in processes, spot inefficiencies, and document solutions in detail. SAP navigation skills. Even in functional roles, familiarity with SAP GUI Fiori apps master data structure. Basic configuration steps is expected. Bonus skills. Excel, PowerPoint, and testing tools like Jira or HPALM also add value. How to start if you have no experience. Everyone starts somewhere, even without a tech degree or background. Here's how you can break in. Step 1. What SAP is and explore modules. Start with understanding what SAP does and the types of modules available. Focus on areas related to your background: finance, logistics, HR, etc. Use YouTube, OpenSciP, and blog articles. Step 2. Pick one module and go deep. Don't try to learn everything. If you have accounting experience, start with SAP FI. If you've worked in purchasing, choose build depth, not just awareness. Step 3. Get hands-on. Access practice makes perfect. Use demo systems or ITIS access to explore T-codes, transactions, and simple config paths. Step 4. Understand SAP project methodologies. Learn how SAP projects are managed using Activate or ASAP methods. Understand terms like blueprinting, testing, cutover, go live. Step 5. Create a personal portfolio document you're learning. Screenshots, explanations, process maps. Even mock case studies show initiative. Step 6. Start applying Smart Look for roles. Titled SAP Intern. SAP Support Analyst Junior Consultant. Be honest about your level, but show enthusiasm and direction. Real people doing this without coding. To prove it's possible, let's look at real people building SAP careers without technical backgrounds. Fatima, SAP SD consultant, started as a logistics clerk, transitioned into learning SAP SD through free resources, landed a junior role supporting sales teams and worked her way up. Alex, SAP FI analyst former accountant, who upskilled using SAP courses and demo systems, created mock business flows and landed a finance systems analyst role. They didn't code, they communicated, documented, practiced, and delivered results. Career growth and salary, non-coder path. The best part? Non-coding roles are still high-paying. Typical salary ranges 2025. Entry, 35K to 50K, support intern. Junior, 50K to 70K. Mid, 70K to 100K. Senior, 100K plus freelance, 400 NAS, 700 per day. In EU career path, junior functional consultant, consultant, senior consultant, solution architect, AS, project manager. Also possible to pivot into SAP Trainer Business Process Lead, SAP Product Owner Final Tips. Plus resources, you don't need code. You need focus, pick one area, and own it. Practice. Use whatever system access you can find. Document, build a learning portfolio. Network, share your journey on LinkedIn. Apply, start small but start today. Free SAP Career Starter Kit. You can check the My Gumroad account. Subscribe for more weekly SAP tips. Comment below your background. I'll help suggest the best module for you. Thanks for watching SAPify Academy.